Hey everyone, welcome back to Scale Arts India. Today, we've got an exciting unboxing for all you diecast collectors and muscle car fans out there. We're diving into the 1/64 scale M2 Machines diecast hauler, featuring the 1966 Dodge L600 COE Ramchargers and the 1971 Plymouth HEMI Cuda. This is a must-have for Mopar fans and vintage racing enthusiasts. Let's check it out. First, let's take a moment to appreciate the packaging. The clear display case lets you see the hauler and car in all their glory, and the detailed graphics on the box give you that nostalgic racing vibe. Oh, and here's something really special. This is a limited edition model with only 9,600 pieces made worldwide. You can see it clearly mentioned here on the product box. Limited editions like this make the set even more desirable for collectors. Alright, enough admiring the box. Let's unbox this beauty. As always, M2 Machines ensures their models are securely packed to prevent any damage during shipping. Another standout feature is this clear acrylic box, which keeps the models dust-free while allowing you to display them beautifully. And check out the aluminum-style base with the model name elegantly written on it. It adds a premium touch to the whole presentation. Here's the hauler, and here's the HEMI Cuda. Wow, just look at that. Now let's go a step further and unscrew the model from the base. This part is always exciting because it lets us get an even closer look at the details. Look at this pocket-sized beauty. Despite its small 1/64 scale, the craftsmanship and attention to detail are absolutely stunning. It's proof that great things really do come in small packages. Alright, let's take a closer look at these models. The finer details truly shine when you see them up close. Every curve, every decal, and even the tiny accents are meticulously crafted. It's these little touches that make M2 Machines stand out in the diecast world. Let's start with the 1966 Dodge L600 COE Ramchargers. This hauler is a classic car enthusiast's dream. The level of detail here is incredible, from the bold Ramchargers livery to the chrome accents and realistic grille. Check out the textured flatbed, perfect for displaying the Cuda. And now, the star of the show, the 1971 Plymouth HEMI Cuda. Look at that iconic muscle car stance, the shaker hood, and the striking paint job. The racing stripes and Ramchargers branding tie the set together perfectly. Even in 1/64 scale, M2 Machines nailed the aggressive, high-performance vibe of this legendary car. Let's load the HEMI Cuda onto the hauler. The ramp is easy to position, and once the car is loaded, it looks like it's ready to hit the track. This set is not just a collectible, it's a fantastic display piece. So, what's my verdict? M2 Machines has knocked it out of the park with this 1/64 scale Dodge L600 COE and HEMI Cuda hauler set. The attention to detail, the quality, and the nostalgic design make it an absolute must-have for any collector. If you're a fan of Mopar, muscle cars, or just love adding unique pieces to your collection, this one is for you. If you're as impressed with this set, make sure to check out w.scalearts.in to add it to your collection. We've got this and more premium diecast models waiting for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Scale Tales, and hit that notification bell for more unboxing reviews and diecast stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.